Welcome back to IAS Tech. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple collaborators in your GitHub repository. Currently, this GitHub repository is fully private and nobody can access it other than me. So for example, this is the URL. I will switch back to my other GitHub account and let's try to open it. You will see that it is showing 404 error because I don't have access. But I want to add this user as the collaborator of this repository so that we both could collaborate on this project and make edits or changes to this GitHub repository. So for that, first of all, you have to be the owner of this repository and you should have sufficient rights, permissions to this repository. And then here you will find the setting button. Click on that, and here on the left sidebar you would find the collaborators under the access section. First of all, it will ask you to enter your password. So here you are able to manage collaborators and teams in this section. So first we have the private repository section where you can manage the visibility. If you click on that, you are able to change the visibility to make it public, but we want to keep it private. So for that, in the manage access section, you can add collaborators. Click on the add people, and here you would have to type the name, username or email of that person that you want to add. So I want to add this user, so I will copy the username and paste it here. And if this is a correct username, then you will find the suggestion of that user in this suggestion drop down menu. Click on that and click on the add button. Okay, now we have this text saying one user has access to this repository, 0 collaborators, 1 invitation. Currently this person is not collaborator yet. Even I have added him because he has to accept that invitation. So this list is also saying that this is pending invite. Now let's go back here, and I reloaded that page and I was redirected to the invitations page for that repository, and I can see the invitation. Just click on the accept invitation, and now I have the access to that private repository. So I am now free to make any change to this repository or read any file. If you reload this page, you would notice that this person has now access, and that is now one collaborator. All right, that's all I wanted to show you in this video, that how you add multiple collaborators in your GitHub repository. So I hope that you will find some value in this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos like this. And also please like and share this video. If you have any questions or feedback or suggestion, then please leave them in the comments section below. I would do my best to reply them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.